Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kavre. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. Here's wishing you all a very happy new year and a happy 2025. If you're someone who wants to kickstart your intuitive animal communication journey, then the new year is the right time for it. In this video, I'm going to share with you a few steps that you could integrate in your daily routine to ensure that you have free-flowing communications with your own animals or the entirety of nature. So here we go. Number one is spend some time outside in nature. Make it a part of your daily routine to at least spend 5 to 7 minutes outside just observing everything around you. It could be the trees, the winds, the animals around you, and just soak in everything nature wants to provide to you. While initially you may not really feel like you are having conversations, slowly and steadily you'll start understanding what all these things wish to communicate with you. So, spending time in nature should be number one on your resolutions list. Number two, practice active listening. Don't just listen with your ears, but engage all your senses into this conversation. Look for body language cues, listen to the sounds nature makes around you, feel whatever they are feeling, smell whatever they wish to communicate through that sense, and like this, you will be able to actively engage all your senses to receive messages from all the elements of nature around you. Number three, ensure that you are grounding every day. While this need not be a practice that you only have before you do a certain communication, it definitely should be a practice that is a part of your everyday routine. It could be just for a few seconds, minutes, or it could be for a longer period of time. However, grounding should be an integral part of your daily routine as it not only helps with communication but generally for our overall health and well-being. Number four, have constant conversations with your animals, be it at home or outside. Even if you feel like you're not receiving anything, it's absolutely alright. Ensure that you are having at least one-way conversations where you're engaging with them either verbally or mentally. Slowly and steadily, you'll understand the cues and the messages that they wish to share with you as well. And number five, ensure you maintain a journal for all these activities. Each day, as you have new experiences, write them down in this journal so that it becomes a great way to track your progress. Each time you have a new experience or you get a new validation, make sure you jot it down so that it becomes a learning experience for you and you can always go through it anytime you need help or you feel a little underconfident. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you do practice these things, mention them in the comment section below, or if you have any more tips and tricks, then mention them as well so that we can all learn from each other. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey, and until the next video, bye bye.